back into Wuji here. Put one hand kind of on your belly, one hand towards the back here, okay? This is good for your back here. It's called winding the belt channel, okay? So let your hands come out and breathe in. Wrap the belly, exhale. Breathing in. Wrap the belly, exhale. Breathing in. Wrap the belly, exhale. Do about 6 times. Let's do one more. Now we're going to switch sides. So whatever hand's on front, let that go to the back. Whatever hand was on the back, let that go to the front. Okay, now you're going to let your hands kind of splay out as you breathe in. Wrap the belly. Breathing 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 in. Wrap the belly. And you do that about 6 times. I'm going to do one more. Next part, our hands are kind of at our belly here.